Okay, imagine this, you're holding a phone so smart, so seamless, and so integrated into your life. It basically predicts what you want before you even tap the screen. Now imagine that phone isn't an iPhone. Yeah, I said it. Google's next Pixel lineup just leaked big time, and if even half of this is real, Apple should be watching its back. Because this isn't just a spec bump, it's a full-on glow-up. Welcome back, viewers, James here. If you love juicy tech updates and wild leaks like this, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more. All right, let's dive into this. We're not just getting 1 or 2 pixels this year, we're talking a whole squad. The Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, the Giant Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. But what really caught everyone's eye, a leaked family photo showing all 4 phones side by side in bold new colors. This isn't the usual, just another shade of gray. Update, nope. The base Pixel 10 shows up in this almost electric blue, while the Pro gets a deep jade green. The Pro XL rocks a stealthy matte black, and the Fold, a cool-toned, almost futuristic gray. It's like Google finally found its fashion sense, and honestly, it suits them. But the changes go way deeper than just looks. And this is where it gets wild. Google's reportedly adding built-in magnets inside the Pixel 10 series, not just for fun, but for a brand new accessory system called Pixel Snap. Think Apple's MagSafe, but reversed. Instead of the magnets being in the accessory, they're inside the phone, meaning faster wireless charging, easy snap-on grips, and possibly a whole new range of gadgets that just click into place without any bulky cases or third-party hacks. That's a major quality of life upgrade, and it could be a total game changer. Now let's talk cameras, because Google isn't holding back here either. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL are reportedly rocking a triple N setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide, and something called ProRace Zoom that pushes all the way to 100x. Yeah, 100. That's territory previously owned by Samsung, and it sounds like Google is tired of being in second place. Even the regular Pixel 10 will come with a 40MP main shooter and a 30MP ultra-wide plus up to 20x zoom. Basically, whether you're just snapping lunch pics or zooming in on the moon, these phones have you covered. And just when you think they've maxed out the hardware, there's more. All these phones will run on the upcoming Tensor G5 chip, which is expected to be a massive leap over the G4. We're talking faster speeds, better thermal management, and way more efficient battery performance, perfect for brighter screens and demanding tasks. Oh, and speaking of screens, the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro both feature 6.3-inch displays, but the Pro gets Google's fancy Super Actua panel for better clarity. The Pro XL stretches to 6.8 inches, and the Fold, an H inner display with a 6.4-inch outer screen, basically a mini tablet in your pocket. But here's the twist: battery life. Google's testing something called Extreme Battery Saver that could push the Pixel 10 series to 100 hours on a single charge. That's not a typo. The Fold may clock in at around 72 hours, which is still bananas for a foldable. If those numbers hold up in the real world, it'll be one of the biggest selling points of the year. Now, just when you think that's it, boom, more devices. A fresh leak confirms the Pixel Watch 4 is coming, complete with a slick new obsidian finish and 2 size options. And then there's the Pixel Buds Pro 2, now arriving in a brand new color to match the phone lineup. Google's not just refreshing products here, they're building a full ecosystem. And for the first time, it's starting to feel complete. But hold on, there's one more spicy detail: the charger. Earlier this year, there were rumors about a new wireless standard called C2, and whether Google would truly ditch the cable game now. A new render shows a Pixel 10 without a case, and a charger snapping onto it magnetically. That alone suggests the magnets are inside the phone itself. No case tricks, no dongle drama. This could finally be Google's answer to Apple's MagSafe. Done their way, and guess what? We're only weeks away from seeing it all in action. Google's official event is locked in for August 20th, and if even half of these leaks are accurate, this could be the company's biggest, boldest Pixel lineup ever. So here's the question: is Google finally ready to dethrone Apple in its own game? Or is this just another too little, too late moment? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which Pixel are you most excited for? Are you switching from iPhone, or are you still on the fence? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe for all the latest. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next.